Hey everyone, I am back in Costco. So by lucky, these are going to be 12, ends on the 8th. Your limit is a 10. They are quite thin. I do like this gray one. This will look really nice with a white collared shirt underneath, I think, for work. Any of these would actually. And 17, you get a 2-pack of the active top. So 2 different colors to choose from. UPF 30, 4-way stretch, great for layering. And more ladies, 2-pack tee, they're going to be 13. Oh, it says smile on it, and then you have like a striped one. Okay. And the blue one and stripy one says love. They're actually quite soft. Really thin too. Perfect for like summertime here. Joy loungewear too. And ladies, cozy v-neck sweater, 13, ends on the 22nd. Your limit is a 10. I know we've seen these before. And 15, the tough active tight, they're 15. No limit. Oh gosh, these are like compression, so if you love that, no limit ends on the 15th, and they're high what? Reis. These are quite nice and quite thick too. I have that thing of like jogging in front of cars. Like I see cars in my neighborhood, I stop. I feel like you're like looking at my butt. And I tell my husband, I'm like, I feel like my butt is jiggling and I don't want to like jiggle my butt in front of people, okay? Okay, and these are $13 for the buffalo. You know, because I kind of feel like a lot of cars, they slow down when they see a woman jogging. I've seen it even when I'm just walking the dog. I'm like, let that woman jog in peace, okay? Nobody wants pervy people. $17. Look at this one by Gloria Vanderbilt.
I just go jogging in a thong and they all slow down.
Okay, please be quiet. 17. And if you love the lemon print, they do have that. Oh, it's a cute little like embroidered lemon. And spider leggings, these are 15. There's a little number, might be too much glare. You know what, these look really similar to the ones from Sam's Club, but these are like jogger style leggings. So 1,250, a 7-piece dining room set. It is like white cushion. So this one is a little different, 1,400, just gonna round that. Universal 7-piece. This one is more higher, so this one is have more height to it compared to the other one. And 480, you get 3 stools with it, like the counter height dining. This is great too if you have a small space, living room, like apartment. Also great if you have room for homework. If you have little children and they're doing their homework, reading, writing, whatever, I mean, hey, put it upstairs somewhere in a corner, do your homework. And 100, I love this look, the floor lamp. And $700. I'm not sure if we've seen this one, but it does remind me of one from Home Goods. I want to say they're self-closing. And 115, this is a 3-piece lamp set. So you get like 2 tiny ones, then you get 1 tall one.
I feel like the shades don't want to go with it though.
The rower row with the pros, 400, ends on the 15th. Your limit is 5. I do really want one. I don't have room. Where would I put this? And 500. Your limit is 5. And of course, these are going to be $40. They're really, really nice. And yes, they're fake. No idea on the price. These are really, really nice. Kevin's green bean stir fry is $12.79. Let me bring it down. Okay, this is just crazy. Everyone is buying eggs. It is sold out here. Limit 2, because you know the price of eggs has definitely gone up. There's no more eggs. $7.49. No wonder everyone's coming to Costco. Oh wow. And $11.99. We have variety here. Chocolate cream, vanilla custard, and red bean and cinnamon. Have you guys tried the red bean and cinnamon? I only tried vanilla custard. Again, it's like my favorite in the air fryer. And some syrup, maple syrup. Baked custard tarts to get 12 for $11.69. Each 21 pack is $10.19. Yeah, this is $10.19 right here. Your limit is 5. And $11.19, the non-scratch. So Capri Suns went up, you guys. They're $9.59 now. They were like 6, 7-ish, slowly creeping up to $8.50. Now they're $9.59. And the Kool-Aid is $8 now. $13.09 for the variety pack. Slider bags, quart and gallon. Your limit is 5, ends on the 29th. Now, if you want the quart freezer, they're going to be $12.99. Your limit is 5, ends on the 29th. And $10.59 for sandwich bags. Your limit is 5, ends on the 29th. The Volt, okay, they have it here in Costco. Going to be $25. $14.49 for a 30-ounce bag. Jerky bars, ends on the 22nd. For the dogs, the doggos, whatever. Made in the USA. And $35 for the 50 can cooler. It is collapsible. So again, if you're doing some road trips, camping. It's a deep freeze. And they have the Tommy Bahama chairs here, you guys. They are $40. Don't be pushing spring or summer, Costco. I'm not ready. $35 for the walking, the trekking poles. And $49 for the ski goggles if you are going to the bowl. Snaps are $5, ends on the 22nd. Your limit is 7. Ancient Egypt in the book department, $9.59. Always fascinating. Let's see, ABC, Dr. Seuss. Oh, here's a dancing one. These are $14. Farm Friends are $10.99. They are foam. So if your kid likes to gnaw on books, I might skip out on that one. And $12. The Wheels on the Bus. And it is a sing-along. And $17, you get 150, ends on the 22nd. Lots of deals on vitamins, like the ginkgo right here is $12. Oh gosh, it's blurry. Sorry. The Immune, $13.89, ends on the 15th, and no limit. They even have the jelly beans, $15.99, ends on the 15th. No Limit Airborne is $12.49. Ends on the 23rd. There's another one too. Huh. We've all been hit with the bug. Actually, I got sick from work. only got a doctor note for 4 days off, and I'm like, there's no way I'm going back in 4 days. I couldn't do it. And so you know, I got in a little trouble. Like, I'm sick. $14.49, $2.90. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for this Costco walkthrough. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. I don't see anything new. Oh, there's a Harry Potter one. This is good for growing back hair.